Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Hello, kids, and hello, amazing parents. Today we have something super fun and colorful for you. We're learning I want sentences in a brand new way with magic colors. Red color will show action words, verbs like run, jump, eat. Green color will show naming words, nouns like ball, book, dog. Parents, it's a great way to make grammar fun. Kids, get ready to read, speak, and act out these colorful sentences with me. All right, let's start with our first I want sentence.
I want to run very fast in the park.
I want to run very fast in the park.
I want to jump high over the puddle.
I want to jump high over the puddle.
I want to swim in the cool blue water.
I want to swim in the cool blue water.
I want to dance happily to the music.
I want to dance happily to the music.
I want to sing loudly with my friends.
I want to sing loudly with my friends.
I want to read an interesting storybook.
I want to read an interesting storybook.
I want to write neatly in my notebook.
I want to write neatly in my notebook.
I want to draw a big colorful rainbow.
I want to draw a big colorful rainbow.
I want to paint a bright yellow sun.
I want to paint a bright yellow sun.
I want to climb a tall green tree.
I want to climb a tall green tree.
I want to hop quickly across the stones.
I want to hop quickly across the stones.
I want to skip happily with my rope.
I want to skip happily with my rope.
I want to play a fun ball game.
I want to play a fun ball game.
I want to laugh loudly at the joke.
I want to laugh loudly at the joke.
I want to smile at my best friend.
I want to smile at my best friend.
I want to talk politely to my teacher.
I want to talk politely to my teacher.
I want to listen carefully to the story.
I want to listen carefully to the story.
I want to whisper softly in your ear.
I want to whisper softly in your ear.
I want to shout loudly across the field.
I want to shout loudly across the field.
I want to clap loudly after the song.
I want to clap loudly after the song.
I want to throw the small red ball.
I want to throw the small red ball.
I want to catch the shiny green ball.
I want to catch the shiny green ball.
I want to run fast like the wind.
I want to run fast like the wind.
I want to walk slowly in the garden.
I want to walk slowly in the garden.
I want to crawl under the small table.
I want to crawl under the small table.
I want to slide down the tall slide.
I want to slide down the tall slide.
I want to swing high in the air.
I want to swing high in the air.
I want to balance on the narrow beam.
I want to balance on the narrow beam.
I want to fly a colorful kite high.
I want to fly a colorful kite high.
I want to skip rope with my sister.
I want to skip rope with my sister.
I want to ride a small red bike.
I want to ride a small red bike.
I want to paddle a boat on the lake.
I want to paddle a boat on the lake.
I want to climb the long wooden stairs.
I want to climb the long wooden stairs.
I want to jump rope very quickly.
I want to jump rope very quickly.
I want to kick the ball into the goal.
I want to kick the ball into the goal.
I want to throw the ball to my friend.
I want to throw the ball to my friend.
I want to catch the ball with both hands.
I want to catch the ball with both hands.
I want to bounce the ball on the floor.
I want to bounce the ball on the floor.
I want to wave happily to my family.
I want to wave happily to my family.
I want to shake hands with my teacher.
I want to shake hands with my teacher.
I want to give a big high five.
I want to give a big high five.
I want to hug my mom tightly.
I want to hug my mom tightly.
I want to pat my dog gently.
I want to pat my dog gently.
I want to feed my cat soft food.
I want to feed my cat soft food.
I want to wash my hands with soap.
I want to wash my hands with soap.
I want to brush my teeth very well.
I want to brush my teeth very well.
I want to comb my hair neatly.
I want to comb my hair neatly.
I want to tie my shoes tightly.
I want to tie my shoes tightly.
I want to open the heavy wooden door.
I want to open the heavy wooden door.
I want to close the door quietly.
I want to close the door quietly.
I want to push the chair under the table.
I I want to push the chair under the table.
I want to pull the drawer. Slowly.
I want to pull the drawer slowly.
I want to fold the paper neatly.
I want to fold the paper neatly.
I want to cut the paper carefully.
I want to cut the paper carefully.
I want to glue the paper together.
I want to glue the paper together.
I want to color the picture beautifully.
I want to color the picture beautifully.
I want to make a nice birthday card.
I want to make a nice birthday card.
I want to eat a yummy chocolate cake.
I want to eat a yummy chocolate cake.
I want to drink a glass of milk.
I want to drink a glass of milk.
I want to taste the sweet fruit. Salad.
I want to taste the sweet fruit salad.
I want to chew my food slowly.
I want to chew my food slowly.
I want to lick my ice cream quickly.
I want to lick my ice cream quickly.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.